The U.S. Supreme Court issues a major setback to President Trump's economic agenda. In a 6-3 decision, the court ruled the administration cannot unilaterally impose sweeping tariffs under a 1977 emergency powers law. The justices says the Constitution only gives Congress the power to set tariff rates. In response, the president lashed out at the justices who went against him.
The Supreme Court's ruling on tariffs is deeply disappointing, and I'm ashamed of certain members of the court, absolutely ashamed, for not having the courage to do what's right for our country.
The decision does not stop the president from imposing tariffs under other laws. He pledged to impose a new global 10% tariff under a different authority. Local lawmakers are divided by the Supreme Court's decision. We spoke with 2 Kentucky congressmen about the ruling.
I support the president's trade policies because you cannot deny the fact that this has lowered the deficit. These tariffs have lowered the deficit and have given this president the leverage to achieve more reciprocal trade deals, more market access for American exporters. And my commitment to the president is to give him whatever authorities he needs in the realm of sanctions policy to continue the progress and success that he has had in trying to negotiate better deals for this country.
The Supreme Court did the right thing. This is a power that belongs to Congress. You see bipartisan agreement among members of Congress, and so they did the right thing. And now we've got to go through and make sure that the small businesses, that the families impacted by this, get some of their money back.
Kentucky's U.S. senators both praised the Supreme Court's decision. In a statement, Mitch McConnell said, quote, "Congress' role in trade policy is not an inconvenience to avoid." He added trade policies that impact American producers and consumers must be done by lawmakers. And Rand Paul agrees with the power to declare tariffs belongs to Congress, saying that no administration can use emergency powers to get around the Constitution.